How to lock Notes app on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Notes and tap on it. You are now in the Note Settings page. Here, scroll down and go to Password. Select Use Custom Password. Over here, enter the password you want to use for this app. Or, you can also turn on the Use Face ID feature below if you want to use Face ID instead. Go back and open up the Notes app. As you can see, you will now require a password or Face ID to access the app. Following these steps, you can easily lock Notes app on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.